Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that edgeX token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, edgeX is the native token of a high performance decentralized exchange DEX focused on perpetual futures contracts, which is expanding into a multi-product financial platform built on its own Ethereum layer 2, a top tier perpetual DEX. It is a lending centralized platform for trading perpetual futures, ranking among the top by volume and open interest. Built for performance, the platform leverages advanced scaling technology like Arbitrum, Orbit, and StakeEX, Zcash rollups to enable fast, low slippage trading, evolving into a full ecosystem. Transitioning. Its roadmap includes transitioning to a dedicated layer 2 and expanding into spot trading, US stock perpetuals, and prediction markets. Ajax project institution rating is 3.9. Ajax token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 350 million EDGE token. EDGE token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Coinbase, Binance Alpha, Bybit, and other centralized exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, in this project, up to 90% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.